Alcala.
Yes, ma'am.
Make a revision of this. Kailangan na yan bukas sa meeting natin. And also, make a 5 copy of this. Make sure na maayos ang pagkaka-revise mo at pagkaka-copy niya. Okay?
Marami naman pinapagawa niyo ng mga SMS ko.
OMG! OMG!
Bilis naman nun. Oo nga.
Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So, before we start our class, we will be having a recitation on what we discussed last meeting. So, what is the purpose of advertising in marketing? Mr. Aranyo. Okay, you don't go? Okay, Mr. Alaya.
The purpose of advertising and marketing is to promote and attract the people.
OMG!